back to the channel, guys! Today I am here doing something that I've been wanting to do for a hot minute, something that I've been waiting to come in for a hot minute. I'm going to be installing a roll cage on this bad boy. I've never had a roll cage in a car. I've never installed a roll cage, so learning experience, really excited. It does not look hard at all. Should go pretty easy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, we hope. Now that the cage is fully unwrapped, the quality of this cage looks extremely nice. I went with white because they said that I could do the same blue as the M2 on the cage, but for me, I feel like white was the better option, especially since down the road there is a possibility of the M2 getting wrapped. I also want to give a huge shout out to Studio RSR for sending me this beautiful, lovely cage. I will have details down below in the caption, the link for the cages if you want to check them out. They have cages for so many different cars, so make sure you go check them out. This is supposed to be everything I need.
Yeah, get on in there.
Get on in there. Look, I drank my coffee too fast this morning. I'm already hungry.
You struggle busting?
Need your help. I hate that all three seats are connected together.
I like watching you struggle.
Thanks, I appreciate it. The seats are out. Now it's time to get this bad boy in here and figure out where the holes will be drilled, because the rear end of it should drill into factory bolts, I believe. So you guys are gonna find out with me. We're gonna do this install together and I'm gonna show you exactly what I did, even if I don't actually film that part, but I'm gonna show you after because I feel like I haven't seen a good install of the Studio RSR roll cage. Okay, update. Unfortunately, I was sent the wrong bolts, which is fine. I am going to see if I can find them. I'm very limited on hardware stores. If I can't, then I just have to wait. They're gonna overnight them. I've already been in contact with them and they're gonna overnight them if I can't find them. So that's okay, we'll be back tomorrow. Today's video is proudly sponsored by Carly. Carly is a pocket-held OBD2 scanner that has manufacturer-level diagnostic tools. One of the amazing features the Carly app has is the diagnostics for your car. I'm gonna go ahead and check for any issues. It's at 54 issues found. Apparently my car's health is very bad. On the Carly app, it actually lists out each issue that your car is having, and you can click on each issue and it will give you the code in the description. Clicking on the Smart Mechanic, it brings you in to having so much information about each code and helps you figure out more about the issue with your car. Another really cool thing about the Carly app is their coding feature. You can actually unlock hidden features right through their coding possibilities. Depending on your vehicle depends on the possibilities of your coding. Some really cool features are here for me, which the seatbelt warning is definitely going to be amazing. We are going to swap all of these off. Coding was successful. I think having one of these scanners is absolutely a necessity. Stop waiting and get yours now. You can use my code or click the link down in the description now. Thank you so much to Carly for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to it. Good morning, and we are back. We are ready to finish this roll cage and get it done. It shouldn't take too long now that I have the correct hardware for it. Got the new bolts. I'm gonna show you guys in this video how I actually bolted in the car. From what I can tell, this bolt goes into this one right here. So the second hole back on each side. And I went ahead and cut out a little section because the carpet did go over these holes, but I went ahead and cut it out so they just weren't in the way. I have the two rib nuts, which I believe go here on each side. So one there, one there. These bolts are gonna be for the front, which is what I'm assuming. And then these ones will go here at the top for connecting them. So that's a little rundown of where those are gonna go. I'm gonna go ahead and get this started so I can be done and I'm gonna be excited. I only got 2 of these. Screw it up, screw it up. I already waited for them to come in. I'm gonna get this riv nut on here. I'm trying to figure out how I wanna take action with this. I think I'm gonna get in the car. Maybe this was not the move.
I'm pretty sure you have less strength squeezing power in this angle. Just wrap your thighs around it.
What do you mean by that?
Sir? I'm so weak! I might be tiny, but I sure as am weak. Okay. I took all my power. I'm gonna go sign up to the gym today. I really hope I didn't screw this up. Yay! It's perfect. She's perfect. This is very impressive.
That took all your strength.
This is round 2.
Hi, I'm Natalie Roush, and welcome to our chalked garage.
Where we still don't have the proper tools. Alright, she's on there. It's open. Make sure I'm putting it in the right hole. Don't make me laugh. Oh my goodness. Any day now. That was an awkward angle trying from the other way, but I'm also just really weak. This was definitely not the proper way. Being tiny has its perks. Alright, I want to show you guys. I got all of these bolted in. This is the one for the rib nut. If you were installing, this is the rib nut is the top one, and then the only silver screw goes into the rear. And I kind of had to wiggle it a little to get them to fit, but I also had to cut this side out because it was so in the way. I thought I cut it enough the first time, but I ended up having to just cut this, but it's fine. And now I'm going to do the front. I had this in here earlier because I was just wanting to see what it looked like, and so I'm going to see if I can just pull it up while this is in here now. And I have to bolt each side up on this, and so after that it should be lined up, and then I'll be able, I can't show you right now, but there are 2 holes back here for the bottom to be bolted in. One I do have to drill, and I am going to be honest, I'm going to attempt to drill it with it in the car still, so let's go ahead and get it attached. Oh my gosh, where is it? I'm gonna get it attached up here, and then everything will be a breeze. All right, maybe I shouldn't have said that. Knowing my luck, I shouldn't have said that. Roar. I'm in such an awkward position right now.
I've been in more awkward positions.
Huh?
What does that mean?
I don't know. I can see why some people take the seats out. Make that nice and tight.
Alright, everything's basically in. I just have to tighten it all down. I haven't drilled holes yet, but
License registration, ma'am.
I'll have that. Oh, she's on. I had to drill a new hole because this one didn't line up quite perfectly. How to do work without doing work. Can you feel it tighten?
I'm getting so tight.
The cage is all done. It's in the car. Done deal. It looks so good. I'm gonna go ahead and get this pulled outside because I want to do the photos and videos outside of it. It looks so good. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing outside so we can get that video and those photos and you can get a better look. cage looks. Oh, I love it. It honestly contrasts, the white contrasts the blue so well. I contemplated getting the blue, but I'm low-key glad I didn't, because if I ever wrap this car, the white is always going to match whatever I choose to wrap it. I honestly don't know if I'm going to wrap it because the color is so good, but for something that's gonna always be pretty and subtle, I think the white was a very good choice. All right, guys, that is all for today's video. I have so many parts stacked up right now for more videos to come. I am so ecstatic at the fact that more videos are gonna be coming, and I really love the roll cage. I cannot thank Studio RSR. Thank you so much for sending over that cage, getting it in the M2, making it look even crispier. But if you made it to the end of the video, drop down below, comment what you want to see done with the M2, anything, parts on the car, tracking the car, anything. Drop it down below. I want to hear what you have to say. But on that note, stay tuned for more videos to come, and I will see y'all. Peace!